Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Potted Home channel. I'm Janelle, your plant and home enthusiast. So we're here, we're at the end of 2021. Are you excited? Because I sure am. We made it, you did it, you did it. You did the damn thing. I'm trying to think, what am I looking forward to next year? I guess growing this channel, because it's been a lot of fun for me. Watching my son grow, and I want to kind of maybe pursue a couple of different endeavors. Not going to speak on it right now, but you'll hear more about it in the future. Just wait on it. In this video, I'm just going to be decorating our Christmas tree. It's not super exciting, but I thought it was really nice, and I wanted to document it because it's the first time that I got to kind of do what I wanted to do with the tree, which is to just go a little bit more minimalistic, add some touches of metallic gold, and just the regular warm lights that we normally do. So it'll be nice. So yeah, anyways, come on and join me. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So, what'd you think? Please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll respond to everyone as quickly as I possibly can. I can't wait to see all of the new faces and old faces from last year going into the new, and I hope that you guys have a safe holiday, and I'll see you next time. Bye!